She Color Effects series, 5 collections of advanced color effects, because no one colors like she. These series replicate the work of some of the country's best colorists and balayage experts. From classic ombres to more complex highlights effects, you can now offer clients more options than ever before. Our highlights effect shades are incredibly natural highlights that seamlessly blend to create trendy color effects. Our balayage effect shades are a perfect combination of naturally colored roots mixed through to highlighted ends. Our ombre effect shades offer a gradual fusion of 3 colors, from darker roots to lighter ends. Our chatouche effect shades are a more modernized take on the classic ombre, with a natural summery sunstreak effect. Our rooted color shades are characterized by trendy dark roots with a variety of different color lengths. Unlimited artistry, the widest array of lengths, textures, and color effects. No one colors like she.